Welcome. This is Waec here 2020 test of oral English past question. Question number 25 says we should look out for the option that has the same consonantal sound as in the given word, and the underlying letter here is letter S, and the given word is pronounced as base. So the letter S sound as S, while option A is pronounced as boys. So the S in this word that make it plural is sound as Z, boys. Option B is pronounced as clash, not S or Z. Option C is pronounced as lace. So this C E sound as S. Option D is pronounced as lazy. Therefore, by this transcription, option C is correct because it contains sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you.